নমস্কার বন্ধুরা, 82nd এপিসোড নিয়ে গোপা চক্রবর্তী আজ আপনার কাছে এসে গেছে। আপনারা দেখুন, আমি কিছু তসর প্রিন্ট দেখাচ্ছি যেগুলো সবসময় ডিমান্ড থাকে। কিছু চেকার্ড তসর যেগুলো আপনারা খুব খেয়াল করে দেখবেন, ভেরি গুড কোয়ালিটি। আর আমরা আজকে ওগুলোর উপর একটু ডিসকাউন্টও দিচ্ছি, সেটাই একটা অ্যাট্রাকশন আজকের শোয়ের। ঠিক আছে, আমি শুরু করি, আপনাদের দেখাই। শাড়ি নাম্বার 1, যেগুলোর কথা বলছিলাম এগুলোতে আমরা ডিসকাউন্ট দিয়েছি। লুক এট দ্য শাড়ি, লুক এট দ্য স্টাইলিং অফ দ্য শাড়ি। আমার তো খুব সুন্দর লাগে এটা। লুক এট দ্য কালার স্পেশালি জারি বর্ডার্ড, জারি চেকস ইনসাইড. The weave has a check inside and then it is block printed. These sarees I am giving for 4800 only. 4800 for these sarees. Look at this. Especially the color, the quality, they're all Gachi Toshor. Zari bordered Gachi Toshor, going for 4800, and we have given a blouse section is this color, the blue one. This is going for only 4800. Tassels are all going for 4800 this time. Special attraction for this show. Etao darun. Look at this. This is again a zari bordered tassel. This is not checkered. Look at this. Zari bordered tassels are going for only 4800. A few pieces I am giving for 4800. But they are good. They are from my last stock which were left. I will be making new stock, so I'm clear. So I'm disposing of. I wanted to give you if you wanted. My tassels are always in demand. Is going for 4800 only, dear. 4800 for these tassels. The printed tassels, zari bordered tassels. দেখুন এগুলো গ্রিন, অনেক ভেবে ভেবে কালার কম্বিনেশন করানো হয়েছিল। 4800 পিক আপ। আমার আজকে 5-6টাই আছে এরকম অ্যাডভান্টেজ। এটা 3টে আছে বোধহয়, 3টে টাসেল আই এম গিভিং অনলি ফর 4800। 4800 for only these 3 pieces of tassels, which were for 5400. I am giving for 4800. I am left with these 3. Pick up if you want. They are all good. They are not defective. They are good ones. 4800 for these 3 pieces. Number 3 is for 4800 only. Look at this. Look at the floral section. All throughout floral. It will look very nice. I think ওটা কি উল্টো নেওয়া হয়েছে? না, it's okay, fine. Yeah, this is like this. These tassels have color bar. 4800, the fresh ones. I was left with 3 of them from the last stock. I have given a very good offer. Go for 4800 only. Yeah, these are the Bengal handlooms, our pride. Look at these handlooms. They're all Matka handloom. Number 4. Look at the other half. All Matka. Dazzling red color. ব্রাইডাল সিজন ইজ অন, এখন এই সমস্ত শাড়ির ভীষণ ডিমান্ড। This saree costs 5,600 with this blouse piece. 5,600. শাড়িটা একটু দেখাই, এগুলো একটুখানি this type of effect. This is an effect given. It's a Dhakai kind of effect on matka. দেখুন, such a beautiful texture. 5,600 for this pure matka saree. Yeah, this time I'm showing you all my Bengal handlooms. Bengal handlooms. This is the Dhakai Aanchal, all zari, woven zari ones. Handloom sarees. $4,600 please. 4,600. এটাতে সমস্তটাতেই ফাইন স্ট্রাইপস আছে। 4,600 for this saree, highlighting the aanchal only. 4,600 for this weave. Their best of Bengal weave. Look at this one, fresh from the looms. এগুলো এসেছে নতুন। Look at this. Is it coming clear? Look at the aanchal section. All matka weave. A little dressy. ভালো লাগে এগুলো পরলে। The saree costs 4,900 for this matka weave. Handloom. They're not power loom sarees. They're all handloom, handmade sarees. And this is the kind of blouse piece. This will brighten up your skin. This color. This is a superior one. এটাও একটা মাটকা weave. এগুলো খুব সুন্দর শাড়িগুলো দেখুন, আঁচলটা and very smart. For wedding gifts, ideal for wedding gifts. Giveaway sarees. This is also for 4,900. Number 7 is going for 4,900. This is all zari weave, hand woven. So the effect is not heavy. Number 8. Yeah. This is the rich royal blue color. খুব চাহিদার কালার এটা। Lot of people are fond of this color. ভালো লাগে এগুলো জেনারেলি মাটকা weave, a smart one, and খুব কমফোর্টেবলি ক্যারি করতে পারবেন এই শাড়িগুলো। Number 8 with the zari weave. With the same color blouse pieces of the same color. These sarees are going for 4,900. 4,900 dear. Yeah, these are my Bishnupur silks. as usual they are going for 4500 আমাদের বিষ্ণুপুর সিল্ক 4500 এ দিচ্ছি এগুলো width is 44 inches width and the length of the saree is 6.5 meters colorful leaves এটা পরলেই ভালো লাগবে spread it yeah this is the saree and we have a blouse ink blue very bright combination এটা কত সুন্দর শাড়ি এটা look at this print open it. Yeah, this has come just now, so we'll polish it and give you. This goes for 4500 Bishnupur silk, high quality, 450 grams silk. Number 10. Look at this. There is also Bishnupur silk. This goes for 4200 dear. 4200. The black one. Floral black. This combination specially black and rusty orange. It has come out so well. It's a bright combination with this kind of BP. So I'm giving this saree for 4200. 4200. কিয়াতলা স্টোরটা ওপেন আছে একটু বলে আসবেন প্রেফারেবলি বাই অ্যাপয়েন্টমেন্ট এগারো নম্বর শাড়ি এই বাটিকটা কিন্তু খুব স্পেশাল we have done this batik দেখুন ট্র্যাকস আসেনি বাটিকটায় so beautifully done up and the other half look at this so this number 11 this chocolate and pink what a rich combination 5500 for this Bishnupur silk this is on Katan silk my dear sorry this is on Katan silk 5500 555500 this is on Katan silk batik এই সিল্কস গুলো তো আমাদের খুব হেভি কোয়ালিটি সিল্কস বিষ্ণুপুর সিল্ক अगेन বাটিক এই বাটিক গুলো তো অলওয়েজ ডিমান্ড থাকে এটা সেম সিমিলার টাইপ we have shown you also আবার হয়ে আসে এগুলো ডিমান্ড থাকে these we are giving for 4500 all floral batiks বুদ্ধা এটা করা হয়েছে দেখুন বাটিকে বুদ্ধা এফেক্ট is so beautiful $4,500 the red is a this red color has also come out good $4,500 for this piece and এগুলো তো আমাদের lavishly done up এগুলো খুবই ভালো হয় all my batiks they are so precious Again 3 of the batiks are left with me, which I am giving 400 rupees less. They were 6800, I am giving for 6400. 4 pieces are left this time. Chatte batik chilo. This I am giving for 6400. This is a crack batik border. The red border has a crack. And the blouse is very pretty. Grey and red combination. It looks so nice. Wonderful. It in 6400. A good one. But they are all my Gachi Toshore batik. Gachi Toshore batik, Gachi by Gachi, they are all very good quality Gachi Toshore. Costed 6800, but now I am giving for 6400. 6400 for this one. Orange ta ugro nahe, very soft and mild orange, soothing. This is for 6400, dear. This little Ravindrik touch, ei batik tay, shoru tulir kaj. Look at this. All throughout, heavily done up. 6400 for this piece. With this blouse section. Number 16. Old stock at thike 6800 is shadi, 6400 you are getting from my old stock. 6400 for this raising design. $6,400 for this price, for this saree. And number 17. Oh, these are the premium quality tassels. Egulor achol gulo, they are woven. They are woven achal. They are premium quality tassel. They are printed ones, but it's going for 6,800, dear. 6,800 for the quality of tussar. The price has gone up. 6,800. And with this kind of blouse section, the blue one. This is a silk, hand painted silk. Hand painted silk. 4,800 please. 4,800. And with this kind of BP. Put it here. With this kind of BP. That's all. Put it here. And friends, I would like to show you some of my other attires like kurtis. So this time I've got long kurtis which I would like to show you. This is number A, XXL, pure cotton, the embroidered ones. This is also Katha hand embroidery. They're going for 1200. Very good cloth, 100 count cotton cloth, which is going for 12. And this is B. B is going for 1100. B is going for, you asked me the sizes, I will be able to tell you. This is the medium size. This is going for 1100 with hand embroidered stuff. This is a large kurti. Now C, alphabet C, 1100. 1100 for this piece. Number 8 is all cotton kurtis, 1200. This is E. E is going for only 900. You wanted to see again and again, I will be able to show you in the video camera because the video is getting long. E is for 900. This is F. This is XL size, dear. 1200 for this one. That's all. This is G. G is for 900. 900. All cotton. I showed you at a glance. These are with double pockets. I'll be able to give you the pictures if you wanted to see. Just a glance that we are keeping all these stuff also for a long time. This is pure Azrak. $1,800 for this one. And I'm almost over. J, keep on booking. J is for 1800 again. This is J, Azrak, pure Azrak. That's all for the day today. Thank you for watching my show. Happy shopping, dear. So let me sign up. Thank you for the day.